Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create an account on ClickUp. So first thing you will have to do is to go over to clickup.com. Once you're there, as you can see this page, then click on this big button Get Started, it's free, or just click on Sign Up. So click one of those buttons. Now it will give you this form where you have to enter your work email. So do that. Once you are done entering your email, just simply press Next. Then it will load up another page, as you can see. And here you can insert your full name, your work email, which you already did. You can choose a password, and you can also continue with Google. So you can sign up really quickly just by clicking on continue with Google. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will just simply go with this classic. Okay, by checking this box, you agree to receive emails for marketing from ClickUp, so you don't have to check this. And by checking this box, you agree to our terms of service, so you have to check this. And as you can see, you have to use at least one capital letter. So let's do that and change this password. And then click on Play with ClickUp. Now they will email you a code on your entered email, and you have to confirm the code right here. So go over here to your mail and select the code, press Command C to paste it, and then simply paste it right here. So what would you like to use ClickUp for? They will give you this form that you have to basically fill out, so do just that. So I will use it for work. What would you like to manage? So choose what you like to actually manage. How did you hear about us? Okay, so search engine, invite people to your workspace. You can also enter the email addresses of those people and invite them. So do you use any of these tools? So if you do, just click right here and then go next. Which features are you interested in trying? So just time tracking, it's awesome, dashboards, of course, scheduling, all of these features are pretty awesome, man. Lastly, what would you like to name your workspace? So name your workspace and then press finish. Now go and change the world, as you can see. So that's nice. Once you're there, they will give you the understanding the ClickUp hierarchy video, so watch that and your account is officially created. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.